Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Capital One. But before I get into the specifics, I want to ask you a question. What do you think of when you hear the name Capital One? Do you think of credit cards? Or maybe banking? Or maybe something else entirely? I'm curious to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below and let me know what comes to mind. Background. Now, let's get into the meat of this video. Capital One is a bank that was founded in 1982. It's headquartered in McLean, Virginia, and it has over 100,000 employees. Capital One is one of the largest banks in the United States, with over $300 billion in assets. It offers a wide range of financial products and services, including credit cards, checking and savings accounts, auto loans, mortgages, home equity lines of credit, investment services. Types of banks. Before we get into the specifics of Capital One, let's take a step back and talk about the different types of banks. There are four main types of banks: commercial banks, investment banks, savings and loan associations, credit unions. Commercial banks are the most common type of bank. They offer a wide range of services to individuals and businesses, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. Investment banks focus on providing financial services to businesses and institutions. They offer services such as mergers and acquisitions, underwriting, and investment banking. Savings and loan associations are a type of bank that specializes in savings and lending to homeowners. They are often referred to as thrifts. Credit unions are not-for-profit financial institutions that are owned by their members. They offer a variety of financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. What type of bank is Capital One? So, what type of bank is Capital One? It's a commercial bank. Capital One's history. Capital One was founded in 1982 by Richard Fairbank. The bank started out as a credit card company, but it has since expanded its offerings to include a wide range of other financial products and services. Capital One has a long history of innovation. It was one of the first banks to offer online banking and mobile banking. It was also one of the first banks to use artificial intelligence to assess credit risk. Capital One's products and services. As I mentioned earlier, Capital One offers a wide range of financial products and services. Here are a few of the most popular products. Credit cards. Capital One offers a variety of credit cards, including cashback cards, travel rewards cards, and balance transfer cards. Checking and savings accounts. Capital One offers a variety of checking and savings accounts, including high-yield savings accounts and checking accounts with no overdraft fees. Auto loans. Capital One offers a variety of auto loans, including new car loans and used car loans. Mortgages. Capital One offers a variety of mortgages, including fixed-rate mortgages and adjustable-rate mortgages. Home equity lines of credit. Capital One offers a variety of home equity lines of credit, which can be used to finance home improvements or other expenses. Investment services. Capital One offers a variety of investment services, including mutual funds, stocks, and bonds. Capital One's awards and recognition. Capital One has received numerous awards and recognition for its products and services. It has been named one of the best banks in America by Forbes and Kiplinger. It has also been named one of the best credit card issuers by U.S. News and World Report. Capital One's customer satisfaction. Capital One has a strong reputation for customer satisfaction. It has consistently ranked high in customer satisfaction surveys. Capital One's competitors. Capital One faces competition from a number of other banks, including Bank of America, Chase Bank, Citibank, and Wells Fargo. Capital One is a large and well-respected bank that offers a wide range of financial products and services. It has a strong reputation for customer satisfaction and innovation. If you're looking for a bank that can meet your financial needs, Capital One is a good option to consider. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Capital One, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.